Family chef, local and foreign foods available at Family chef. Abasan to a diabo, Adriane Papa, Family chef. Yo Benkua Mutu, Tiozafio, Family chef.
Oh, my wonderful people, look at my fire. I'm coming to cook my benku. This is my condo. Ta-da! Look at here. I'm afraid of fries. Too much fries here. Fresh tilapia. I just got it from Accra, the city of Ghana. Came from there. I had a few ingredients here. Fresh spring onions. I have ginger, tomatoes, lime. I use lime, okay, to wash this, the tilapia. I have my bell pepper. We are going to cook shitalo. So ginger, garlic, and onion, I'm going to blend it in this blender and season the fish. This is benku. Let's benku go here. Gonna add water to it, mix it, and mash it. I have an agblema and a mole.
Family chef, local and foreign foods available.
Then I'm a coach shit. I'm afraid to put my hand in. My hand is clean, but I'm afraid to put it in because habanero pepper here in Africa, don't play with it. So I'm going to season this. Oh, come on. I didn't see me throw. Come on. I'll put this aside for 15 minutes until all the seasoning go in. All right. I have to cut it in pieces like this. Okay, this is how we will mash our condo. Yep. See the fire? It's going to keep mashing until it forms. 30 minutes to 45 minutes, it will be ready. Our tilapia is still waiting for it to season for 15 minutes. Then we'll put it in the oven or fire. Maybe we'll put it in the oven for 15 minutes, then we'll finish it up in the fire. Hey, me can't be charged. Send me out there. Send me can you? From the chef back up. That's why we're not show. Oh.
Family chef, local and foreign foods available at Family chef. Abasan to a diabo, Adriane Papa, Family chef. Yo Benkua Mutu, Tiozafio, Family chef.
Okay, now my fish is almost done. The pepper is ready. The banku is ready. I'm going to turn this fish over. Then everything will be done. I'm going to turn it over. You see, I used to. Wait, your friend is saying, what? How do you call this in English? How do you call it in English? How do you call this in English? Okay, put a little oil so we can. All right, oil goes in, and the family chef. My assistant, she's pregnant. Little by little, I'll take this net off so the bottom will cook too. Then that's it. Baby, Shitalo, baby. 15 minutes later, everything will be done. Okay, guys, this is the end of my Shitalo. I have my tilapia. Look at the pepper. Look at the banku. Benkuni abona kesi fine. So this is the end of the video. Let's try the fish. Matutu. Hey, Africa. The fries are really wild. They're not a duo. You want to join me? You want to join? No? That's going to my mouth. Okay, look. Cool. So how juicy, look. This is good. This is good. Man, you can't do that. You see the green pepper and everything I put it in. I am a come. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please, I'm cooking from Africa, my hometown. Thanks for watching. Next time I'll bring local African food for you. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? All right, look at this pussycat looking for the food. Bye-bye. Love you. Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family Chef, next week I'll bring more videos. Thank you. Greeting from Ghana. Greetings. Ciao.